Trend Shaker. Here we talk about different trends that are being following by different people and influencer on different social media platforms. Today we'll talk about toothpaste hack. We all know that brushing twice a day can make your teeth healthy, but what happens when we use it on our skin? First, understand what the hack is saying, what the hack is claiming. So the trending hack claims that putting toothpaste on your skin can make your skin glowing and pimple clear, tan free, and it will also remove hair from your skin. There are lots of videos and content that shows toothpaste as a skincare. The videos shared on this hack have millions of views, which means that a lot of people are watching it and following this trend. There are many channels like Beauty with Bhavna, Classy India, 5-Minute Hack, Anaisa that claims that Colgate can make your skin glowing. These social media influencers also use toothpaste with different ingredients. Now let's find out how much their claim is authentic. First, we need to know what are the ingredients of a toothpaste. Different toothpaste could take different ingredients. Here we will focus on some common ingredients that are found in most of the pastes. Toothpaste may contain certain ingredients like fluoride, sodium, lauryl, sulfate, and artificial flavors that can clog pores and cause acne or breakouts, particularly if you have a sensitive or acne-prone skin. And toothpaste is formulated to work within a neutral pH range of the mouth. However, the pH of skin is different and the pH of our mouth is different. And applying toothpaste can disrupt its natural balance. This disturbance can lead to irritation and disturbance to your skin. Let's talk to the dermatologist that how much toothpaste is harmful for our skin. What happens if we apply toothpaste on our skin if we use toothpaste as a skincare?
Absolutely false. Toothpaste can actually cause perioral dermatitis. Often you need a course of antibiotics to clear it up. It's a nuisance.
Toothpaste contains abrasive particles and other chemicals that mean to clean teeth and remove plaque. These ingredients can be too harsh for delicate skin on your face or body. It will harm your skin. To prevent such problems, don't use toothpaste as a skincare. The claim by this hack is not true. Thank you. Stay tuned.